Welcome back to OpenSCAD Simplified. Now that we know how to make basic objects, we need to learn about the placement of the objects. By default, they are placed at 0, 0, 0. For the cylinder, it's basically the center of the circle on the bottom. And for a cube, it's one point of the cube. Yes, if we look at the cube, then it's actually, you see, X, Y, Z, and it starts at 0, 0, 0. And for the cylinder, it's the center. But we want to move it around. We'll use that in pretty much every 3D object if we combine more than like a cylinder, and or if we combine two objects, we most likely need to move one around. So for that we can use translate, and we just say how much we want to move it in X, Y, and Z. So let's say we want to move it the center to 20. We can just do that, but I usually enclose this in those kind of braces or brackets, because then I can do multiple things in one translate. Like if I add a cube that's, well, let's say 10 by 10 by 40, then it gets moved around with the cylinder.